Here's an app called That League LFG Tournaments and Game Stats, so you can just double click to install it. And yes, this is the app. Join the ultimate gaming community with That League, the app that brings gamers together like never before. Compete in thrilling tournaments, connect with like-minded players through LFG, share epic gaming clips, stay in the loop with live streams, chat with fellow gamers. So yes, this is like the app for gamers. Of course there are like streaming apps, but this is just an app to jump into a community, share clips, find your team, promote your gaming profile, find some tournaments and all of that stuff. One profile, you can create your profile, and then just keep. All right, it'll turn notifications, and then you can just create your account with so many options: Google, Apple, phone number, email. So let's see what it does. Then I just need to register my username. And then you can find your friends, you can give access to contacts. And then basically you will have all these different clips from, people are putting out. Then you have skill-based tournaments available, scheduled events, you can see your events. Then there is like shop. You can get, daily drop $10 Xbox gift card out of stock. Then you have some Oculus Quest raffle entry, some of the things like that. Then you have like a voice chat, random, and then you have new chats, just like your DMs where you can just start a new chat and all of that. Then you just have your profile. You can, of course, customize it, change profile picture. Then there is some kind of like Zcoin. What's that? And then games here are like Warzone 1, Apex Legends, Valorant, League of Legends, Clash Royale, PUBG, Fortnite, Destiny 2, Halo Infinite. So, and then also you can refer a friend with the link and earn 5% of the Zcoins they generate on D-League for 6 months. So feel free to use my referral code like that. That's what it is. And then you have tournament history, social profiles, username. So all of the things which you can just change here like that. So there you have it. That's basically the idea. It's quite interesting app, and give it a try.